We've just made our way up this little creek. I think I'm gonna find a little spot to make my fire. It's time to eat. Just come back from a hike. It's cold. You want something hearty and something simple. You got your little stove going right here, which if you want a tutorial on how to do that, I'll set that right here and you guys can go watch it. You want to make something easy. Let's make some chili with cornbread in one pan. I'm all about one pan meals. This is literally the easiest thing to make. I have some foil. I have my cornbread mix in a box. It was like 80 cents. And I have my Hormel. I like it with beans. You can do without. Whatever, it doesn't matter either way. You're just gonna kind of mix it all together, cover your pan with foil. Let me show you. All right, my fire's been going for a couple minutes. My pan is hot. I like to get a stick so that I can move my pan around if you don't have like an oven mitt. And all you're gonna do is pour your chili in here, just like that. Then make a little hole in the middle and you're gonna put your cornbread in the middle. One of the things that I really like about this is there's a lot of calories in here, okay? So if you have depleted yourself, oh, you're gonna make them calories back. You can see right here. Now, obviously, this pan is small, it's just me, but if you have a pan that's big enough to put all of it in there, that's what you're looking at right there. Let me move my finger out. And then I'm just gonna kind of smooth that like that, okay? Then you take the rest of the chili that was in the pan and you put that on top of there. So it kind of makes like a little casserole. Okay, this is what we're looking like. Now we're just gonna cover it with foil and we're gonna give it 10 minutes and then we're gonna check it because we don't know what the temperature of our fire is, right? You can see right there, it's already started to boil. So go ahead and put your foil on the top. Now, the one thing you got to remember is keep your fire going. The first couple times that I did this, I underestimated how much wood I was going to have to gather. If you're new to this, that's going to happen. It's trial and error, but just collect a lot. You can never have too much, or you can take this time to just walk around, stretch your legs, and while you're stretching your legs, get some more. You're going to get some sticks that are smaller, some that are bigger, and then some that are even larger than that. It's cooking, and I can't wait. It's been about 7 minutes. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna take a look. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I'm starving. Okay, that fire is rolling. Can you see it? It's been about 9 minutes. I just couldn't wait any longer, but look at that. Ooh, that's gonna be nice and crispy. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes and then we'll check it out again. I am so ready to eat this. All right, guys, that's it. Let's take it off and take a look. All right, so we did about 13 minutes in total. Make sure your foil don't fly away because you still might need it. Ooh, that looks good. Let me get you up close. Ooh, this looks good. So you still have some chili on the outside. Most of your cornbread's here in the middle. And then it's gonna be a little bit gooey, you know? The dog's ready to eat, obviously, you can hear, but you can see it's completely done. Get a little taste here. It's so good. There's grass on here too, but that's fine. I don't care. I personally think this is the best meal. It's the perfect meal. It's super easy. Obviously, you need your pan, but you just need the two things. You don't have to chop or slice or do anything like that. You don't have to add water or butter. And if you don't like chili, you can always do split pea and ham. That works just as well. It's just as tasty. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.